insurance is a type of protection that can help you in case something bad happen to your home or your belongings. Home insurance can cover different kinds of risk such as fire, theft, vandalism, storm, flood, earthquake and more. Depending on the policy you choose, home insurance can also cover your liability of someone gets injured on your property or if you cause damage to someone else's property. Why do you need home insurance? Home insurance is not mandatory in most countries, but is but it is highly recommended for several reasons. First of all, home insurance can help you financially if your home or your belongings are damaged or destroyed by a covered event. For example, if a fire breaks out in your kitchen and damage your appliances and furniture, home insurance can pay for the repair or replacement cost. Without home insurance, you you would have to pay for these expenses out of your own pocket, which could be very costly. Secondly, home insurance can also help you with legal expenses if you are sued by someone who gets injured on your property or if you accidentally damage someone else's property. For example, if a visitor slips and falls in your icy driveway and break their arm, they must you for medical bills and pain and liability covers. Without home insurance, you would have to deal with lawsuits on your own, which could be very stressful and expensive. Thirdly, home insurance can also help you with additional living expenses if you have to move out of your home temporarily due to covered event. For example, if a hurricane damage your roof and make your home inhabitable, home insurance can pay for your hotel bills or rental cost until your home is repaired. Without home insurance, you would have to find and pay for alternative accommodation on your own, which could be very inconvenient and difficult. How much does home insurance cost? The cost of home insurance depends on many factors such as the value and location of your home, the type, the type and amount of coverage you chose, the bill you pay before the insurance kicks in, and the discounts you qualify according to NARWAD. The average annual premium for homeowner insurance in the United States was. However, this number can vary widely depending on the state you live in and the company you buy for. To get the best deal on home insurance, it is important to shop around and compare quotes for different insurers. You can also lower your premium by choosing a higher deductible, improving your credit score, instantly security device or fire alarm in your home, building your home insurance with other policies such as auto or life insurance, and asking for discounts for being a loyal customer or a senior citizen. What are the types of home insurance policies? There are different types of home insurance policies. Actual value. Actual cash value, the policy pay for replacement cost of your damaged or stolen item means depreciation. Depreciation, for example, if your 5-year-old TV is stolen, this policy will pay for the current market value of a similar TV, not the original price you paid for it. Replacement cost. This policy pay for the replacement of cost of your damaged or stolen items without debating depreciation. For example, if you are 5-year-old extended displacement cost, this policy offers displacement cost of your damaged or stolen items plus extra percentage, usually 20 to 25, to account for the inflation or increased construction cost. For example, if your additional amount to reflect the rise in price over time. When choosing a type of policy, you should Flood. Home insurance does not cover damage caused by flood from natural source such as river, lakes, or ocean. You need to buy a separate flood insurance policy from the National Flood Insurance Program or a private insurance if you live in a flood-prone area. Earthquake. Home insurance does not cover damage caused by earthquake or other earthquake movements such as landslides or sinkhole. You need to buy a separate earthquake insurance policy from a private insurance if you live in an earthquake prone area. War. Home insurance does not cover damage caused by war or acts of terrorism. You need to buy a separate war risk insurance policy from a private insurer if you live in a high risk area. Nuclear accident. Home insurance does not cover damage caused by nuclear accident or radiation. You need to buy a separate nuclear risk insurance policy from private insurer if you live near a nuclear plant or a facility. Wear and tear. Home insurance does not cover damage caused by normal wear and tear or lack of maintenance. You need to take care of your home and belongings and repair any problem as soon as possible to prevent further damage. Some common limitation are policy limits. Home insurance has limits on how much it pays for each type of coverage. For example, your policy might have a limit for dwelling coverage, for personal property coverage, for liability coverage.
कितने मिनट?
6 मिनट तो टॉप गई
तो बस ठीक है, हो गया
इतनी